All right, welcome to February 2019 on Spray Paint Art Secrets. This month we've got some beautiful spray paint art lessons for you to learn from. We'll start with this painting which has a lot of cosmic effects and has waterfalls, and I'm going to show you step by step how we did all those effects in the sky using very simple tools like folded paper or curved paper, using newspaper to draw the land, and a palette knife to add in some of the little peaks and valleys. And I love the misty floor of the universe down at the bottom of these mountains in space and how mysterious they are. And I love the cool blue waterfalls in the front with the foam and just all the cosmic effects that we're gonna involve in this painting on the bottom and on the top, and you're going to learn how to do all of those. And then we're going to move on and we're going to do a seascape with a crashing wave and a beautiful ocean, and check out those palm trees. You can see the light shining through them. I really like that when you can see the sunlight shining through the palm trees. So we're going to actually be working on wood for this one. So I've been changing my materials a little bit. We're actually working on prepared wood here. It's prepared with gesso and sealer. And I use some other materials as I make these waves, which I will tell you about to just add the beauty. So if you're interested in learning some spray paint art techniques for free, you can go to spraypaintartsecrets.com. We have a free lesson taught by one of the originators of the technique, Gerardo Amor, where he teaches you how to make absolutely stunning planets. Plus, we have a free materials list where you can learn about the different brands of spray paint and what they're good for and what they're not good for and which one suits your needs the best. These days, there are water-based spray paints that you can use to do all of these effects and be completely non-toxic and actually mix with your regular acrylics and mix with water. And there's some amazing things that you can do. We're going to be improvising a lot of seascapes this month, but then we're going to move on and we're going to do a Chinese dragon. I've been experimenting with these Chinese dragons for a while because I am just mesmerized by the way that some of the people who can paint them in one stroke in China, videos that I've seen on YouTube, and I love the way that looks. Of course, I don't have those materials, and we're working with a completely different set of techniques here, so it's going to be very different. I haven't got the one-stroke dragon yet, but I've got some cool stuff to share with you about how you can do the body, using a sponge that's double-loaded, one side with white and one side with black, and then you can add a lot of details using your palette knife and using some other fun techniques that you can use to make the scales and all the other parts. And of course, in this painting, there's also plenty of fun cosmic effects that you can learn and take home and play with and add to your own work. And what I really love is when my students send me pictures and they're like, I did this, and I can see all that they've learned and how they've applied it in a new way. And then I actually get ideas from what you send me. I get all kinds of ideas from your requests and the paintings. I get so many paintings, and it's always interesting to see how people have taken this to the next level. So our last painting is going to have like a city with all kinds of lights in it, and it's going to have spaceships whizzing by, and we're going to start playing with some stencils. I found some cheap stencils at Walmart, and you can do a lot with that. And also, if you go to a dollar store and you get like spoons and kitchen equipment that has holes and squares and things in it, you can do a lot with that. It goes a long way towards making cities, and I love using all those kitchen utensils in my cities. So we're going to play with that and some cheap stencils, and just, I encourage you, anytime you go to a department store or a garage sale or kitchen store, whatever, be on the lookout for cool stuff that you could use in your painting, because that's pretty much the way that we did all of the things in this painting. So if you're interested in learning how to use found materials to do your artwork, or if you're just interested in becoming an awesome spray paint artist, or you just like watching these videos, go to spraypaintartsecrets.com and you can get your free video and your free materials list. And if you have any questions, my name is Elisa Amor, and you can email me at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com. See you inside. Ciao.